news is brought to you by Tushar of Grade 4 Hazel, representing VEERA House. International news. Israel bomb Gaza, fights Hamas around the hospital. China pledged to Southeast Asia come up $50 billion short, says recent studies. National news. Government notifies reviews wax under the MGNREGS. Karnataka changed law STP mandatory only for over 120 apartments in Bengaluru. Thank you.
State and sport news is brought to you by VEERA and DHEERA representing VEERA House. State news. Farmer BJP MLA approaches DGP on phone tapping case. Farmer Haryana Minister Savitri Jindal quits Congress. Sport news. Sunrisers Hyderabad score highest team total in IPL history versus Mumbai Indians. Virat Kohli holds the orange cap after win over Punjab. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by Children from Grade 5 Coral, representing VEERA House. Weather report. Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, wind 13 kilometers per hour. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Sujita representing VEERA House. Thought. Fire cannot be stopped by fire. It needs some water to stop. I repeat it again. Fire cannot be stopped by fire. It needs some water to stop. Thank you. Have a thoughtful day. Thought is brought to you by Ashrita Rainbow Hazel representing VEERA House. Word. Slender. Meaning. Clever at cheating people. Friends, please spell after me. S-L-E-N-D-E-R. Slender. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Amazing facts is brought to you by Niharika of Grade 4 Hazel representing VEERA House. An ice cube takes about 9% more volume than the water used to make it. A lightning strike can reach a temperature of 30,000 Celsius. Great white sharks are capable of living up to 50 years old. Thank you. Have an amazing day.
I am from Grade 4 Coral, representing VEERA House. Today I am going to update you articles. Pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful material are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural such as volcanic. They can also be carried by human activities such as stress or runoff. Produced by factors. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water and land. Thank you.
For Coral, representing VEERA House, I am here to check your general knowledge. Question for Grade 1. Which animal is known as sheep of desert? Camel. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is camel. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 2. Baby frog is known as... I'll repeat my question. Baby frog is known as... Yes, you pick the right answer. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 3. The national reptile of India. Cobra. Yes, you pick the right answer. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 4. Name the desert jungle in the world. I will repeat again. Name the desert jungle in the world. You did not pick the correct answer. And the answer is the Amazon rainforest. Question for Grade 5. Name the national aquatic animal of India. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Loudly. country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being, and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
National news is brought to you by Anirudh of Grade 7 Jasper representing VEERA House. International news. Elon Musk AI startup to launch new improved chat box. National news. PM Modi Bill Gates discuss India's tech advancements, future and more. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by the Sai of Grade 7 Jasper representing VEERA House. State news. Hyderabad to face heat wave street this April. Sport news. KKR shows their dominance in Chinnaswamy Stadium in RCB versus KKR match. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Ragini from grade 6 Topaz representing VEERA House. Weather report. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Wind humidity 56%. Wind speed 11 kilometers per hour. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Arvind from Grade 7 Jasper representing VEERA House. Thought: man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. I'll repeat it again. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Thank you.
Today what is brought to you by Yamtar Shibata of grade 6 Topaz representing VEERA House. Word: necessary. Meaning: something needed or required. Friends, please spell after me. NECESSARY. Necessary. Thank you. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Sabita of grade 8 Topaz representing VEERA House. Question for grade 6. When is World Health Day observed? I repeat it again. When is World Health Day observed? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is April 7. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. On which day autumn equinox occurs? I repeat it again. On which day autumn equinox occurs? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer and the answer is September 23. Question for grade 8. Which bank is known as the Bankers Bank of India? I repeat it again. Which bank is known as the Bankers Bank of India? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Reserve Bank of India. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Ajanta caves are located in which state? I repeat it again. Ajanta caves are located in which state? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Maharashtra. Let us appreciate it.
Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables containing enough minerals. Wear loose and cotton clothes. To keep body hydrated, drink plenty of water and fruits. In hot summer, your body needs vital nutrients and electrolytes including sodium, magnesium and potassium which are lost due to excessive perspiration. Coconut water is the best drink of this season and which are needed during summer season. Stay hydrated by drinking sufficient water even when not thirsty. Carry water bottle during travel. Open windows at night to let cooler air in. Wear shoes, chappals while going out in sun. Eat seasonal fruits or vegetables with high water content. Things you should not do during summer season. Avoid strenuous work in afternoon. Don't eat stale food. Muscle weakness or cramps. Rapid heartbeat. Body temperature more than 40 degrees Celsius.
Thank you.